Blessings to you, kiddos, and welcome to Let's Get Drawing. We have an exciting episode today. We are going to be drawing a Trojan horse that we found in this book called How to Draw Ancient Greek Stuff Real Easy. And before we show you those pictures, we want to take a second and let Annalise read about the Trojan horse.
The Trojan horse. The Greeks besieged the city of Troy for 10 long years. They pretended to give up and left a wooden horse behind. The jubilant Trojans took the horse into the city, not knowing that Greek soldiers were hidden inside. Later, when the city was celebrating, the soldiers crept out of the horse and opened the gates to the waiting Greek army.
Yes. Okay, thank you, Annalise. Now, go ahead and grab your picture, and let's show them our Trojan horse. Okay, hopefully by the end of this step-by-step program, you will have a horse that looks similar to one of these. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get some paper. We just have plain copy paper. Annalise and I are going to be drawing with pens so you can see it better. But if you want to draw with pencils at home, it's a good idea because...
So if you mess up, you can erase it.
Exactly. Okay, we're going to start on our Trojan horse, and we are going to start with the wheels along the bottom part of our page. And I'm going to try not to make them too big, so I'm going to start about right here, and I'm going to do 4 of them. And I'm going to try to make them all the same size, and drawing circles is never easy, so let's try it. Ready? So let's go with 4 circles. 1, and they're going to be fairly close together. 2, go ahead and get started.
Okay.
3, and 4. And that is close enough. 1 more. 4. Perfect. Okay. Now, we're going to come over here on the left side of this first circle that we drew, and we are going to draw a line out. Just a little one. And down.
Somehow it did that.
Your pen is malfunctioning.
Yeah.
And down. And over. And this is kind of what we're pretending like this is connecting all the wheels here. So then we're going to continue that line right here. Do the top and the bottom. And the top and the bottom. Okay, keep going. Top, bottom, and off the edge. It's all good. Okay, here we go. Off the back. And down. And back in. Very good. All right. Let's go ahead and do the legs. You want to keep moving up and then come back and do some of the details? Okay, so let's start on this back one. Is that all right?
Yeah.
And we're going to start, and we're kind of drawing it like it's made out of wood. So we're going to draw these like individual pieces of wood.
Yeah,
so
wooden planks.
Which are like, wooden planks, which are like rectangular. So let's start right here. And we're going to go ahead, maybe about right here. And I'm going to come up just a little bit and over like we're drawing a rectangular piece of wood. And it kind of comes up at a little bit of an angle, but not a whole lot. And back down. And we're going to do 3 of them. So we're going to go across, do the other one right beside it, down, and this guy come up and down. Okay? So let's do 3 of those.
I'm going to have to do more because I made them too skinny.
That's okay. Stick another one in there. Perfect. Okay, and then I'm going to go up here, and since I've got 3, I'm going to do 3 more that connect up here. And this one, I'm going to bring it up just a little bit. I'm going to make it just a tiny bit wider at the top, I think, there. Okay. There's 1. And you can go ahead and do 4 on top of your stack if you want to.
Okay.
2. And here's another one. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and do these little detail marks right here. This is just supposed to look like it's nailed together. So I'm going to put some little dots on the ends of those. I guess that's supposed to be the nails. There and there. All right. And how about we hop over here and do the other one? Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay, and then this one is going to kind of connect into the wooden part right here. So we're going to come right about here and come up and go across and down. Okay.
So like.
Do the other one here. And then one more rectangular shape right there. And you're doing 4 again. Good. Make it even. Okay, and then I'm going to do the other stack right on top, okay?
Can I go ahead and do the nail marks?
Sure. We can do our nail marks first if you want to. There. Probably shouldn't have put in that nail mark right there because it... we'll put an extra one. It's okay.
No,
because you really couldn't see it.
Too.
That's okay. We'll pretend like it's all right. Let's go on up. Ready? Bring this one up a little bit. And these are kind of angling towards each other just a little bit. Up. 2. And 3. And nail marks.
Trying to make them look uneven.
Perfect.
Sort of. And then one more super skinny one.
Okay. Skinny one. Good. Now let's go ahead and do the body. And that is going to be like these pieces of wood that come all the way across. And they're going to be a little bigger on this side and they're going to get a little shorter as they come down this way. So I'm going to go ahead and start on this side. And I'm going to bring this one up and over.
That one's really, really long.
Yeah, it's almost double what the other one is. Not quite, but. So that's his body. And then I'm going to bring it back down. And this one I'm going to bring up just a little bit. And down. And these don't have to line up perfectly. That's okay.
I'm making them purposely uneven.
Okay, I like it. Maybe their carpentry skills were a little off. What do you think?
Yeah.
I'm bringing my little dots in. I guess I could have waited on that. Okay. Make this one a little bit wider. Just for fun. Okay. And then maybe this one a little skinnier as we move across. And we're just going to fill this in. And just keep going until we get all the way across. So here we go. I'm going to go a little bit faster. Remember, guys, if we start moving too fast, go ahead and pause it and catch up with us. So I'm kind of keeping on the same here at the bottom, but I'm sort of bringing the top down a little bit as I move across. And then these are going to connect into that leg here.
Okay.
Keep going.
Go so fast.
Yours are smaller than mine.
Yeah.
That's why. Okay, I'm going to bring one more. It's going to hang over just a little bit for fun. Oh, so you're doing your dots too. I got to catch up with the dots. Okay, I'll go back and do my dots. My little nail marks.
There's a little crack right there.
Okay.
I just want to look at it. What is
And
that?
we have a visitor. Karina, say hi to everybody.
Where are the people?
Well, you can't see them. We're filming up here. Say hi, everybody.
Hi.
Okay. Bye, Karina. We'll see you in a little bit.
Mommy, what are you making? What are you guys making?
We are drawing a Trojan horse.
What?
Okay, we're going to keep going here. Pretend like we didn't have the cutest little 5-year-old interrupt us ever. So we'll keep going. And I'm doing his tail now, and I'm bringing this one down at an angle. And I need to wait for you, don't I?
Yeah, you
Okay,
do.
I'm going to wait for you. We might fast forward the video here and let you catch up. Okay, guys, we have Annalise caught up now, and she had to draw a little extra set in here because hers didn't reach all the way down, and that's okay. So now we're going to do the tail, and this line is going to come off at an angle, and come down. And one more that's going to start up here and at an angle. And we're going to put a couple little nail marks in there too. I'm going to do just this one. Fix that. Okay. Now we're ready for the head. You move on up?
Yep.
Okay, so this is going to go over this section. It's going to come up and back down this way. So I'm going to start right here. And I'm going to pull this first one over. And probably about right there. Looks good. Down.
That was too high, I think.
That's okay. And then let's keep moving up. So I'm going to go up, over, close it down. Okay. And then this one, get up, and close it down. Okay. Let's see, I'm 3 up. Let's keep going a little bit. Maybe another one or two. I think I'm gonna do maybe one more little one. Yeah, like that. Oh, look at you. Nail marks. Here we go.
Mm-hmm.
All the way down to the end. Okay. And then this part's gonna be the mane, and these little pieces are gonna stick out along this way. And they are skinnier than the boards we just drew. So let's do those. And maybe one on each section. Just one little rectangle shape on each one. Okay. And this one I'm going to angle a little bit. And then this one I'm going to angle just a little bit more coming up. And then we're going to do one off the top here. Can you see?
No.
Move my arm.
Mine are small.
That's okay. And then up, over, down, nail mark. Okay, now we go up to do the head. And we're going to start right here where this one left off. And I'm going to come out just a little bit at the top. And down. This is a pretty easy lesson. All we're doing is a lot of rectangles.
Yeah.
And they don't even have to be perfect, so. Okay. Keep going. Down. Okay. All right, and now with this one, I'm going to bring it in at an angle down here just a little bit. Start making the shape of his face, okay? And then this one, bring in just a little bit. And maybe one more on mine. Maybe a little one. Okay, got yours? Nail marks. Oh, wait. One here. Yay! Okay, we are about to finish up. All we got to do is some details on the wheels and his eye. And I'm going to put his eye about, what do you think? Where are you going to put yours? About right here?
I don't know.
Put mine about right here between these two. And I'm just going to do a circle and color it in.
Yeah, I'm having to do more because I made mine so small.
That's okay. It looks cute. Perfect. And then you know what? I left off one little place because I was waiting to draw the head up here. So one more little piece of the mane coming up there. That guy. One more right in between. Nail mark.
Oh.
Perfect. Okay, let's go down here and finish up these wheels. First thing we're going to do is draw a piece of wood that's like coming across. I'm going to start right here on this one. And this is going to make it look like the wheels are all turned different directions here. So, okay. So start there. All right. And then off the edge, we're going to do some boards coming this way. So 2 lines there. Good. And then we're going to pull these down. Cross. All right. So let's go ahead and do that part on all of them. So let's jump over to this one. I'm going to change the angle a little bit here. I'm going to do this one coming up this way.
Can I do mine whatever?
You sure can. Switch it up, girl. Okay, and then this one. This way. And down. Okay. And this one I'm going to turn this way. Lots of lines.
Yep.
Okay, let's go do the center part of these wheels. So that's just a circle here in the middle on each one. 2, 3, 4 circles. And then these little tiny curved shapes, almost like a flower petal, off of the sides of those. Okay. And some nail marks, which I think you already did because you're fast.
Almost.
A couple here, a couple there, just on this top one, I think. Okay, girl. I think it's finished. Finished?
Sure.
Okay. And guys, we're going to go ahead and fast forward the video here, and we're going to color it. All right, guys, I think we're finished here with our Trojan horse. Thanks for drawing with us today. Kids, have your parents take a picture of your drawing and send it to the email address on the screen. And we'll see you next time. Bye.